I'm at Padley Gorge today and I'm out with a client. His camera is just beside mine, somewhere around here. And we're in the woods. We've been shooting the river, the waterfalls, and we're up in the woods now shooting lovely, lovely old trees. I've just found a couple of trees. And this is only a quick little video just to explain where I am and what I'm doing. I'm at Padley Gorge today and I'm out with a client. His camera is just beside mine, somewhere around here. And we're in the woods. We've been shooting the river, the waterfalls, and we're up in the woods now shooting these lovely, lovely old trees. I've just found a couple of trees that really are quite stunning. We've got a tree in front of me which is really gnarly and twisted and stuff like that. And there's another tree which I've called the firework tree. It seems to go up in the air like a firework, whizzing up in the air and exploding into the top of the canopy. So yeah, what am I doing? I'm at a workshop, I'm at a one-to-one, and we're out helping, as you know, as you do. I'm out doing workshops now. Things are starting to change a little bit at the moment. I know that the situation is still on top of us and it's closing a lot of areas down again, but things will change again. Give it the new year to come along. If you're interested in the workshop, please check out the links below. These are the sort of places that I can bring you. Look at that for an absolutely, hard to see on this little Osmo, but what an absolutely stunning tree that is. It's got such a nice flow about it. The way the branch comes in from the right hand side of the frame, leading me to the big gnarly tree. And I can actually see a dancing lady in the back of it. And yeah, Owen here can't see a thing. He thinks I'm on the drugs.
It's only Paul that can see it.
It's only me that can see the dancing lady. And we've got a rock down here on the left hand side as well. And it is a really, really fantastic tree. Definitely coming back here in the fog and the mist, and if you're lucky enough to live close enough to this place, then I'm quite jealous. But yeah, these are the sort of things I can bring you to.